These guys are attempting to build balcony fences, but the internet has turned against them. And the reason is crystal clear when you see their work. First off, they're drilling holes into the foundation and just hammering in bolts. Like it's a DIY project gone wrong. But that's just the beginning. Next, they put up vertical supports that are hollow inside and constructed from flimsy, thin iron. And if you think that's bad, wait until you hear this. They're using tiny, self-tapping screws to connect those weak, vertical supports to the horizontal panels, screwing them straight into the iron. No wonder the online community is furious. If you agree this is a shoddy job, hit that like button.